Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I do my French manicure at home. I'm gonna use press-on nails. I'm gonna use this brand of nails. These are from Primark and it costed me just £1. I'm gonna also need a nail filer. So this box of nails costed me £1. It comes with 36 nails and a user manual and a glue. To begin with, I'm cleaning my nails with a dry tissue. So putting these nails on is really easy, but the most time consuming part is to finding out the right nails for your right finger. So here I am doing it. I'm taking my time to do this. If you find these nails a little bit big, you can easily shape these nails. We're gonna do one nail at a time. I'm putting enough glue on my actual nail and then pressing these nails on. I'm gonna press it really hard because we only have 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, these are glued on. We cannot change anything. I'm now repeating this exact step for all my nails and making sure I'm putting the nails straight, because if you anyhow mistakenly put them wrong, you cannot change it right away. You have to deal with it for a long week. Try to make sure you're putting it straight and press it really hard to glue it perfectly to hug your actual nail to make it more natural looking. Making sure that they are all secure. I can easily keep these nails on for 1 week. Even if accidentally some popped out, I can put them back with this glue. I would suggest you to keep this glue on your bag. And the fun fact is, these are actually super glue in pink color, so you can use super glue too. And this is how you can do your nails at home affordably. I think having nicer nails make the day a little bit better. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you soon. Bye.